Hi everyone, welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today we're going to be making the number 4 as part of our numbers series. If you're interested in making any of the other numbers, check the links in the description because they should be about the same height and font. For this project, you're going to need a size G or 6 crochet hook and some size 4 medium weight acrylic yarn. To begin, go ahead and attach the yarn to your crochet hook and chain 5. Once you have your 5 chains, go ahead and turn them over so that you can see these back bumps on the back side. From here, you're going to want to place a double crochet in the third back bump from your crochet hook. And then you're going to want to place a double crochet in the back bumps of each of the stitches across. From here, go ahead and chain 7 and turn your chain over once again, and we're going to place another double crochet in that third back bump from our crochet hook. And go ahead and place a double crochet in the next 3 back bumps, so not the full row but just the next 3, and you should have a total of 4 double crochets when you're done. From here we're going to chain 6 and again turn your chain over and place a double crochet in the third back bump from your crochet hook. Go ahead and place a double crochet in the back bump of the next 3 stitches, which should complete this row. So from here, it should look something like this. So what we're going to do is we are going to place a slip stitch right here. So at the top of this middle section's double crochet stitch, go ahead and place a slip stitch there. Then off that slip stitch, we're going to chain 2, and then go ahead and find your starting tail. And you can see this first chain that we made of the first row. And what you're going to do is you're going to place a single crochet in it. Now go ahead and tie off your yarn, and I'm just going to use my tail to sort of clean up this gap between the last 2 rows here. And when you're done, it should look something like this. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you were trying to crochet this, and I will do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.